you will see who is visiting your website. You will see their names, their addresses, their emails. So this tool is doing something that nobody else thought was possible. We are living in this AI craziness era, but unfortunately, very rarely do you come across a tool that is truly unique. So the tool that I'm reviewing today is called TrafficID from Brandwell, formerly Content at Scale. You would have known these guys from Content at Scale, both the AI Writer and AI Detector. But since they've rebranded, they've launched this new and amazing tool that does one thing. It does it extremely well. It helps you monetize your traffic in a way that you never thought was possible. And it sounds crazy and absolutely nuts. You will see who is visiting your website. You will see their names, their addresses, their emails. Oftentimes you'll come across their LinkedIn profiles and you can contact them directly. And you even see what they were doing on your website, which pages they were viewing, how long they stayed on those pages. And this is crazy. So if you have a website, it doesn't matter which niche that you get traffic for. We're talking about US traffic here. Then this is a tool for you. They offer a free trial that you can use to decide whether it's something for you. It does sound crazy, so let's just go to the dashboard. And this is my website that I connected. As you can see, I've already gotten 6 leads. Basically, what you see is the name, the time they spent on the website. So this gal here spent 8 minutes on my website, 5 minutes on my website, 15 minutes, 10 seconds, 6 seconds, 50 seconds. So this would be your first filter. So if you have someone who spends enough time on your website, I would say more than a minute, they are worthy of reaching out to. And when you see this person, you can see the name, the mobile number, the email address, their actual address in the US. So this only works with the US traffic. And the guys from TrafficID are capable of capturing around 30% of incoming traffic. And then you can see the whole history, the session history. So this person first looked at my free Turnitin score estimator. She spent some time on that. Then she went to check out my blog. Then she played around with this tool for a while to get various results. So this is clearly a person who is interested in passing Turnitin. And I can just write a personalized email saying that you've used my tool, your thoughts. By the way, I have these 4 amazing humanizer tools that you can try to make sure you're passing Turnitin 100%. And yeah, this is golden. So it took me a few hours to get the first lead, and I do get some traffic, around 7 to 1,000 sessions per day. And I was able to capture 6 leads in a few hours. The current plan that I'm on, which is a 7-day trial, allows me to get 250 of those leads for $99. And if you're going to use my link, you get 20% extra. So you'll get 300 leads exactly. And if we do our math correctly, 99 divided by 300, this would be just a little bit over 30 cents per lead. And this is a hot lead that you know a lot of stuff about. Again, you know their name, you know their email, mobile number, address, what they did on the website, which pages they viewed, how long they stayed on your website. So this is what I would consider a hot lead. And this is an amazing alternative to Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads that you would work extremely hard to get the lead costs close to 30 cents. And obviously you would have to capture them with an email capture form, but then you would only know about them what you put in the form, like name or email. You won't know their behavior, you won't know their mobile number, where they are located. So this opens up huge opportunities for small businesses, for course creators, even for affiliates. If you're selling a product and a person has landed on your review and spent a lot of time reading it, you can reach out and say, okay, have you actually purchased the tool? If you haven't, I can give you a small bonus that will tip the scale in your favor. This is extremely easy to set up. If you follow my link, you will arrive at this page. Then you just insert your website. I did so with trickmenote.ai. Then you need your work email. It has to be the same domain as your website. So I tried to use my Google email and did work with my website. So trickmenote.ai, and I used info@trickmenote.ai here. And then you basically start your trial, and this is 100% free. You do have to put your card details, but there is no charge. just the card information, and you can cancel before the 7 days finish. And as you can see, if you go here to leads, you can see that there is a very convenient timer. So I'm at day 1 of my 7-day free trial. Flexible pricing starts from $99. But again, if you follow my link, you'll get 300 leads instead of 250, which is basically 30 cents per lead. And I have just started playing around with this tool. This has been very hush-hush. The mainstream promotion will come later, so you can enjoy this tool while it's still fairly unknown. And something tells me that this is going to be extremely popular, so you would want to capture the 99 per month while it lasts. I don't think it will forever, at least. And yeah, so the opportunities are limitless. You can copy the emails, use WhatsApp, you can use email to reach out to those people. And this is 100% legal, so they even tell you what to put in your privacy policy. Again, this only works with US traffic, and they can opt out at any time. So once again, go use my link. Sign up for a 7-day no commitment trial. See whether you have captured the leads based on your traffic, your geography, and let me know, because this is perfect for small businesses, lead generation businesses. Even works well with niche websites and affiliate websites, because you can then add these people to your email list. You can offer them bonuses, freebies. You can start conversations with them. Nothing like this exists. And again, when you sign up, you get a small code that you just insert in your header. So what I did, I used this very popular plugin called Code Snippets, and they have the header and footer thingy. And this is basically my code that they gave me. As you can see, this is TrafficID pixel code. And you insert the code here, you click on verify, and within the first hour, I got my first lead. So again, amazing tool. I haven't been this excited for a while. And this is not an AI writer. This is not a keyword research tool. This is something that really will allow you to monetize your traffic better. Because it's not a problem of getting traffic. It's a problem of converting the traffic. You can get your traffic today if you pay for it. But can you convert it? Do you know enough about the people landing on your website? Now you do. So check out your 7-day free trial. Don't forget to use my link to get 20% more leads. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.